Hi everyone, welcome to the first video of a quick Excel tour, and this is about how to add numbers in Excel. First, start with adding the numbers using SUM function. Select this yellow cell under the numbers and enter equal sum D4 column D7 and just press enter, and here's the sum of these numbers in this cell. Alternatively, you can press Alt Shift and equal sign. It automatically shows the sum of the cells above the selected cell, and it sums the numbers up. And you can selectively sum the numbers with the SUMIF function. Write SUMIF parentheses, and you can write the range D11 column D15 and semicolon, and write the criteria. It is bigger than 50. Just close the parentheses and enter. Here you sum up the values higher than 50. Okay. Now here's an extra credit. Try adding another SUMIF formula here, but at amounts that are less than 100. Just try it. Start with equal SUMIF parentheses. You can select range like this, semicolon, and now the criteria, which is less than 100. Close the parentheses, and here is the result. Now let's go with other addition options. Here you can see the function equation here, and there's an easy way to find out the sum of the selected cells. On the here corner of the Excel window, you can find the sum written of the selected cells. You can select two cells or whichever cells you want, and you can change also. You can find the counts, how many cells you selected, and the average, and you can change what will be shown in this bar. For example, you can select maximum by right-clicking. Here you see the maximum amount is 60. And now there are other options that you can use. Here let's examine the formula here. In this formula there's only one cell, D48, and this is the cell, and with a semicolon we add a range to this cell, and using another semicolon we add a constant number, 100, and we can all sum up these numbers together. And here is, we done it before, but let us do it again. Write SUMIF, parentheses, select the cell here, semicolon, and greater than 50. Close the parentheses. 100. Now let's examine this one. It says that it can be equal to 50 as well. not greater than, but also equal to 50. That's why the results are different. That's the end for the sum function, adding numbers in Excel. In the next video, we will going to see the fill function.